guys, Miguel here. Quick video how to start a siphon on a fish tank without sucking the water out. Basically, you're going to want to tilt it up like that until the water goes down and gravity takes over, and then you can actually just start vacuuming the fish tank. We're going to do one more so that in case you missed it, we're going to put the vacuum all the way inside. Once it's inside, you're going to dunk it all the way down, and then you're going to lift it up. All the water now is going to go down, and then you got to put it down before the air bubbles or the air disrupts the siphon of the vacuum. So that's just a really quick video on how to start a siphon on a fish tank vacuum without sucking on the hose. Could do one more. You're gonna put it down all the way. You're gonna make it go up, and then once the water starts going down, you're gonna go back down, and the vacuum is activated. Nice quick video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful.